In this experience, we go over robotic welding. This welder is inside of safety glass and the control is on the outside of the safety glass. You can see in virtual reality the walkthrough with the operation control, and the controller inside is the welder and the positioner, the welding arm, the different points of articulation. We have annotations there, the labeling, and for engineering we can take that apart and look at the individual components, learn how that is engineered and designed. And this is an animated model, so you can see the welder actually working, the animation points, different points of articulation, how to set up the part and the welder. And then in augmented reality, you can add content quickly using artificial intelligence, video, photos, pictures, and text. And they're playing right there in real time in 3D space, so you do not have to leave the environment. The videos can be playing as well during the animation. As you can see here with the welding machine video and the controller video playing, they're actually both playing at the same time along with the animation, so the user does not have to leave the experience. And we're walking around this model, which would be something you couldn't do in real life because the welder is on and you wouldn't be able to stand inside of the safety glass and see this. So it is an incredible way of learning about robotic welding. So now we move from augmented reality to spatial meetings in augmented reality. So now I have a colleague, and I'm showing her how to use the controller and how it's safe to stay outside of the safety glass. But I can also go and record video about inside, what's happening inside of that safety glass with the welder. So now my colleague's learning about the way the welder's working, the points of articulation, how it moves, so you can really understand the danger of being inside of that environment. And my colleague and I can be doing this from anywhere in the world. We can be working together, one of us can be from industry. Really, the opportunities are endless in spatial meetings.